Welcome back to my channel, guys. What's up? So I'm feeling spontaneous today. I want to do a freestyle. I have no idea what I'm gonna be doing, but I'm gonna start off with my eye look. I want to do something colorful, so let's jump right into the video. I already did my brows off camera, so yeah. And today, for the sake of the video, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be going out anywhere. It depends on how I feel after I'm done with this look. I'm gonna go in, I definitely feel, as I said, I want to play with colors, so I'm gonna go in my Playing in Makeup by Yolondo Jamrock Rebirth eyeshadow palette. This has some gorgeous colors in the palette. I want to play with like the blues in this palette. Yeah, the camera shows them up a little bit washed out. To base my eyelids, I'm gonna go in with my Makiage Concealer. This is the BFF Perfecting Concealer, and it's the shade 13, number 13. This is it. You just twist it. Not very convenient, so I'm just gonna dot some of that on my eye. I'm gonna go into the crease with Chillin', which is this blue right here, and it looks so much more washed out on camera than it actually is. It's so pretty. And these eyeshadows are so pigmented, so I really love that. So I'm just pressing this. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so pretty. This is extremely pigmented, guys. This is so good. This is so gorgeous. I'm gonna go on the crease area with Gal. This is the darker blue. Or wait, no. I'm gonna go on the crease area with Chris. It's not as dark as that blue. And then I'm gonna go in the, like, on the lid with Nude, which is Mashup. Now, and you know, it's giving me, for the transition area, it's giving me a greenish look, and I did not apply any green at all. It's been just blues, but it's definitely giving me a green vibe in the transition, which I'm not mad at all. I'm gonna go on the lid area with some of the Nude that I told you I want to use. So I'm using this Nude. This is Business, but this is Mashup. Oh, that's actually pretty. That is actually very nice. I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance Bold and Sexy liquid liner. This is like a marker. It's so easy to use. Yes, this is very nice. By the way, this wig is from RPG here. Just in case you're wondering, it's a different type of vibe. It's very short. Alright, see ya, man. Yeah, you should go out for drinks. I'm gonna be going in with my Lash Glam from shop Annibelleza. Yes, definitely the definition of bold. Oh, and the name of these are Karma. Okay, all right, so now that I'm done with applying the lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my face. So I'm gonna prime. As you guys know, primer has become such an important thing to me because my smile lines are just like, if I don't prime it, they're gonna be just so pronounced after an hour of wearing the makeup. So this really helps to reduce the appearance. It doesn't, like, what would you say, erase the look completely, but it really minimize the appearance. So this is my favorite packaged product from Makiage, their primer. So this is the No Filter Poreless Base Smoothing Primer from Makiage, and I'm just gonna take a bit. This is a really nice silicone base primer. So yeah, So I'm gonna jump right into foundation. So yeah, taking my Makiage foundation for today's video again. So I just pump it in the brush. So I'm just gonna take the tiniest amount. Look at that exact match. I have this pimple right here. I don't know why it chose to come right now, but yeah. So I'm gonna go in with my concealer again from Makiage, number 30 in the same shade. It is so flawless on the skin, guys. Like, I'm pretty sure you can see that. I don't think I'm really going to I really don't think I'm going to line my lower lash line today, because I want to really add a lot of mascara on my lower lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with my Mario Badescue facial spray with owl, cucumber, and green tea. This so I'm just cover. I'm gonna take my current favorite product from Makiage, which is this little thing here. This is the Makiage Gold Sand Highlighter Dust. It's like butter on the skin. It's super finely milled. Got my Makiage mascara here. This is the Icon. I was about to say iconic. This is the Makiage Icon mascara. I'm just gonna blend in my natural lashes with the fuzzies. Okay, so for lips, I definitely just want to take it easy. Going in with my Makiage lip gloss, and this is Champagne lip gloss. So I'm just taking a wet wipe. This is it. I'm loving it. I'm really loving it. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section, because I feel like I'm feeling myself a little bit too much right now. I don't know if it's this wig. It's the first time I've ever gotten a wig this short from RPG hair. Like, I'm not about to make this video about the hair, because I already have a separate video, because you guys know I got you guys back, right? So all the details on this wig, it will still be listed down below in the description box, so you can go ahead and check it out if you're interested in purchasing it. It is very affordable, very affordable. Mainly because it's so short, you know. It's like perfect for summertime right now, even especially if you're in a very hot area like I am, and you can't deal with the length and all that hair on you, and you know, but you still want to look cute, you still want to look snatched. Yes. This wig is just amazing. It's gorgeous. I love it. And this glow is like butter. Shout out to Makiage. Shout out to Makiage. Shout out to RPG Hair. Shout out to Plain Makeup by Yolondo. Like, shout out to Shop Annibelleza. Look at these lashes. Everything is just snatched. I really love the way this look came together. I'm going to list all the products I used to achieve this look, by the way, down below. And if you're interested, as I said before, in my direct or customized page on Makiage, you can go ahead and check that out as well. Purchase each and every product that I've ever used, yeah, and check them out. Yeah.